Abandoned train. Abandoned plane. Bunkers, bunkers, Japanese bunker. Totally bunkers about bunkers. 2022, 1st of January, 11th. This doesn't really look like a subway train. It looks more like one of those express trains which goes to the airport. It seems strange coming in here when there's no people. It's usually rammed with people on the Shanghai subway. So this train was probably used as a movie set. Lots of the abandoned things around here are related to movies, like the Boeing 747 that we're going to go and take a look at. The other interesting thing is that this is actually a very historical area. This is right next to an island called Fuxing Island, where there used to be an airstrip which would protect the city against the Japanese, I think, unless it was the Japanese protecting the city against other guys. So there's actually a couple of bunkers around here which we're going to explore as well. This is just the start. This is going to be an epic exploration. You might remember we've been here before. It's the Boeing 747 which has been abandoned here. But what I didn't know before is that this little concrete structure just here is actually an old Japanese war bunker from about 80 or 90 years ago. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to sneak in there though, because the gate is locked, but we're going to try. Well, I couldn't get in through the front gate. That's probably because my head is too big and my big manly chest is enormous. But what we're going to try and do now is sneak around the back, and I think there might be an overgrown path which leads around to the back. Let's go check that out. This is so annoying. Literally everywhere you go where there's a way to sneak into a place, there's a Chinese person just sitting there picking their nose or doing some shit right by it, ready to stare at you. It's really frustrating. Look at this guy. That's the way to sneak in. And here's the guy. So apparently this is an old Japanese bunker. Oh, it's blocked off. It looks like it went underground though. You can see up above me is the Boeing 747. I think this was used as a movie set, but also it was used in the aviators park at the Shanghai Expo. You can actually see a video of that because I climbed inside this a few years ago. Also, you just saw that Japanese war bunker. That war bunker was to protect Fushing Island, which is over there, from enemy planes coming over. I think it was a Japanese bunker. Very rich historical area. There's one other bunker we're going to check out as well. This is actually a more Chinese style bunker. Let's see if we can find that one as well. Wait, is this a bunker as well? So over here somewhere is supposed to be what's called a zibao, which literally means like artillery castle. These were fortified machine gun posts, and there's about 3,048 of these around the city. I'm coming up on one just now. You can see there's where the machine gun posts would have been blocked off. But this one's almost completely covered in earth now. On top, oh, fuck! Originally, in the middle, there would have been a grill, but this one has been converted into some kind of oven. You can see that they've converted it with these pipes coming out of the top. This machine gun post, and probably the other one underneath the Boeing, they would have been protecting the airfield on Fushing Island, which is very close to here. The city is absolutely covered in these bunkers. You just have to know where to find them. And if you want to find them, be sure to check out Totally Bunkers, led by this guy called Maxim. He not only gives tours, he gives a lot of information about the location and history of these bunkers. He is totally bunkers about bunkers. Yeah. All right, let's keep moving. It's too hot. Whew. A lot of these bunkers have been built on top of. They built factories around them, they built neighborhoods around them, even in some cases they built roads going around them. This is because 40, 50 years ago it was extremely expensive to remove these. Maxim told me that in 1975 and 1976 it would cost about 3,000 to 4,000 yuan to remove one of these sill boxes. So most of them have just been built around, which makes it actually like a treasure hunt trying to find them. So at first I thought these were blast doors, but they might just be some kind of huge oven.